My name is Devon and I work at the University of Cambridge in the Department of Politics and International Studies. My main research interests are really peace building, international peace building, state building. I work a lot in the Great Lakes region of Africa, so especially Burundi, and I'm also interested in rebel transitions.
My name is Dr. Gyda Sindre and I'm a researcher at the Department of Politics and International Studies at the University of Cambridge. I'm interested in studying the political transformation of armed movements into political parties. And in particular, I study how political parties with backgrounds in armed movements contribute to democratization or a weakening democratization in the aftermath of civil war. And my research is fairly comparative. I focus on Asia and the Balkans.
The special issue is about transforming state visions, ideas, and ideologies in former rebel parties. And it's a special issue of the journal Government and Opposition. And it really stems from two previous workshops that we've had.
This special issue is based on two workshops that we organized at the University of Cambridge in 2017. The first workshop, we were really bringing together scholars who were interested in studying state building in the aftermath of war, but not from the perspective of institutional development, but from the perspectives of the state builders themselves. And we found from that workshop that we're really interested in how armed groups who had a radical vision during war impact on state building after war. So in terms of governance and mobilization in particular. And that led us to the second workshop, which we organized at Emmanuel College in Cambridge in September 2017, which was really a writing workshop and was funded by the journal Government and Opposition. And it led to a series of articles published in the journal later on.
We really thought that one of the interesting questions in the rebel to party transitions is really what happens to ideas. So often when these rebel movements are fighting, that they have certain ideas that are animating their struggle. So ideas about the state in particular. So whether it is that they want to reform the state or whether they want a new state, whether they think that the state has been exclusive and they want to have a share of the state. And what we wanted to look at is, well, what happens to those visions of the state after the conflict ends? And we were interested both in former rebel parties that become ruling parties and also former rebel parties that become opposition parties.
So the special issue really brings together a set of cases, both comparative case studies, single case studies, and a few quantitative papers that try to assess the role of ideology in state building based on wartime experiences.